Good evening, class. Today I'm going to show to you how to submit your module output or digital module output in my or how are you going to share your output in Google Drive for submission of your modules, finished modules. Okay, so after you have created, you make sure you have already created your Google account. So if you have already your Google account, you can now use an app there which is called the Google Drive. Okay, so first you open your Google Chrome with this icon, double click, maximize this window. You click Gmail here, Gmail. Okay, so this is actually the first or Gmail, or you open your account in Gmail. Here, you can use another account if there are accounts which is not yours. So for instance, this is your Google account. You click this one and then you type your password to open your Gmail. Okay, once you have already opened your uh, your Gmail account, you click here. Okay, again, this is how to submit your output. So I want you to submit here, not in our GC, so that the advantage of using this Google Drive actually is you can view, or the files actually you have submitted is intact. You can view all the files you have submitted to me, and I can also view all the files you have submitted or share in my Google Drive. So this is how. So after opening your Google account, you click this Google Apps here. Okay, here Drive. So this Meet, we can also use this one if I'm going to conduct an online class, asynchronous online class, meaning mag-meet kita virtually. Okay, so next, you click the Drive here. Okay, after that, you click this My Drive. You click this arrow to display that fold down menu. You can actually upload a file or upload files, meaning individual files, and you can also upload folder. So meaning if you're going to upload two files at the same time, which is inside or save in one folder, you can upload the folder. But in case if you are going to submit only one file or one module, digital module or electronic module, you can actually click the upload file. So you make sure you have already finished answered your module. So you click upload file. Okay, then you browse where you save the file you have answered or your module. So for instance, you are going to submit in my desktop. I have files here. For instance, here, for example, you browse the file you are going to submit or to pass online to my Google Drive. You can double click. For example, module 1, for instance, you want, this is your module 1, or for instance only, this is your quarter 1, module 1 or module 2, and you want to submit this one because you have already done answering. So you select this file and then you click open. Okay, so you can see it is uploading one item. You make sure it is already done uploading or upload complete, so you can see a check actually here, so meaning it is already done uploading in your Google Drive. So for example here, this is already for instance your electronic module that you are going to submit it to me or to share on my drive in Google. So just simply, if you want to submit this one to me, you just simply right click this one, and then you go to share, click share. Okay, after you click the share button, you can see here actually get link. So read, restricted only people added can open with this link. So for instance, katong ra na add na persons ang maka-open if this is the type of restriction you want. So you can actually change this one. So you can click this one to change anyone with the link. So for instance, anyone with the link meaning maski sino na jaoy access sa link maka-open or can edit. You can also change the rule here. So for instance, you click this one, anyone with the link, so meaning can viewer, this is actually the rule. So you can change this one, you can view or edit, for instance to viewer only or editor, maka-edit sila. You can change to editor, and then simply click the copy link, meaning this link actually will be copied to the clipboard. Na-copy na. And then the next thing you're going to do is to open your messenger here, and then you look for the person, or for instance you submit it to me, the link, you send the link to me, or you send it to your group, to our group chat. It's the same. So for instance, you submit it to me, you type my name to access. Okay, this is my account here, and just simply paste here sa type message, then you right click and then you paste the link here, and then you send. And the next thing you're going to do is to send a message to me to make sure that this is your output. For instance, quarter 1 module 2 for instance, and you click send, and your module will already be sent to me. So this is how to share your Google Drive, all your files in Google Drive, to my drive. So the next module, for instance, if you're going to create quarter 1 module 3, you do the same process. Okay, so that is all how to submit your output on my Google Drive. Or you can also create folders there to segregate your output. For instance, in this quarter 1, then inside that is quarter 1 module 1, inside that folder quarter 1 module 2, quarter 1 module 3, and so on. Then the next, to properly manage your files in Google Drive, you for instance in quarter 2, you create another folder there, or you create in your Windows Explorer, and then you choose upload folder instead of upload a file. So itibo ra kanimo dito imo mga files, for instance if you upload a folder. So quarter 2, so the content of quarter 2 is quarter 2, for example quarter 2 module 1, quarter 2 module 3, and so on. So okay, so that's all how to create or to send or to share your files in my Google Drive. Thank you for watching.